Now we all of us discuss balancing a chemical equation. For this purpose, we discuss one more example, that is iron sulfide reacts with sulfuric acid to form ferrous sulfate and hydrogen sulfide, that is FeS plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2S. When number of atoms are same on the LHS and RHS of a chemical equation, then the equation is said to be balanced equation. So in above equation, number of atoms, that is Fe, S, H and O are same in both the LHS and RHS. Similarly, if number of atoms are not same on the LHS and RHS of the chemical equation, this is known as unbalanced equation. We all of us know that chemical equation must be balanced. For this purpose, we all of us discuss how to balance the chemical equation. Okay. For balancing the chemical equation, there are different steps. Now we all of us discuss that different steps. Let us consider the example, that is SO2 plus H2S gives S plus H2O. Okay, so step number 1, that is rewrite the given equation as it is, that is SO2 plus H2S gives S plus H2O. Step number 2, that is compare the number of atoms of each elements in the given equation on both sides of the equation. त्यासाठी आपल्याला या प्रकारे चार्ट करावा लागेल. त्या चार्टच्या सहाय्याने सोप्या प्रकारे ॲटमची तुलना LHS आणि RHS ऑफ इक्वेशन मध्ये करता येते. आपल्याला वरील केमिकल इक्वेशन मध्ये 3 प्रकारचे ॲटम्स पाहावयास मिळतात, दॅट इज सल्फर, हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन. इफ वी ऑब्झर्व that chart, then what happens? Two number of sulfur atom present in LHS and one number of sulfur atom present in RHS. Similarly, two number of hydrogen atom present in LHS and two number of hydrogen atom present in RHS. Similarly, two number of oxygen atom present in LHS and one number of oxygen atom present in RHS. Okay, now discuss third step, that is choose the reactant or product having maximum number of atoms. It is convenient to start balancing. म्हणजे तुम्ही रिॲक्टंट किंवा प्रोडक्ट असा चॉईस करा की त्याची संख्या जास्त असावी, की जेणेकरून आपल्याला सोप्या प्रकारे बॅलन्स करता येईल. वरील इक्वेशन मध्ये SO2 मध्ये 3 ॲटम्स, H2S मध्ये 3 ॲटम्स आणि H2O मध्ये 3 ॲटम्स पाहावयास मिळतात. तिन्ही संख्या समान असल्यामुळे बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी तुम्ही SO2, H2S किंवा H2O पैकी काही पहिल्यांदा घेऊ शकता. We all of us select SO2. In SO2, number of oxygen is greater. Therefore, take oxygen in SO2 for first of one. You have already noted that there are 2 oxygen atoms on LHS and only 1 on RHS. How to balance that oxygen atom? For this purpose, we discuss one more chart. या चार्टमध्ये आपल्याला 3 कॉलम पाहावयास मिळतील, दॅट इज ऑक्सिजन ॲटम, इन रिॲक्टंट अँड इन प्रोडक्ट. सिमिलरली आणखी 2 घटक आपल्याला पाहावयास मिळतात, दॅट इज टू बिगिन्स म्हणजे बॅलन्स करावयाच्या अगोदर आणि टू बॅलन्स म्हणजे बॅलन्स केल्यानंतर. 2 इन SO2 म्हणजे 2 नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सिजन प्रेझेंट इन SO2 अँड 1 in H2O म्हणजे 1 number of oxygen present in H2O. While equalizing the number, remember that you cannot change the formula. That is, to balance two oxygen atoms, do not make H2O as 2H2O2, but change the coefficient of complete molecule of depletion side, whether LHS or RHS. In your given equation, deficient side is RHS, म्हणजे ॲटमची संख्या कमी असणारी साइड, that is RHS. Hence, put proper coefficient 2 for H2O molecules to balance oxygen atom, that is 2H2O. ऑक्सिजन बॅलन्स करत असते वेळी 2 हा नंबर ऑक्सिजनच्या पाठीमागे किंवा खाली लिहिता येणार नाही, म्हणून तुम्ही होल मॉलिक्यूलचा फक्त कोइफिशिएंट बदलू शकता. Therefore, partially balanced equation can now be expressed as SO2 plus H2S gives S plus twice H2O. Step number 4. S and H atoms are not at balance. You may select any one of the two. Select hydrogen atom for balancing. To balance hydrogen atom, exactly similar to step number 3. 2 number of hydrogen atom present in H2S in LHS and 4 number of hydrogen atom present in H2O in RHS. Okay, here deficient side is LHS. To balance LHS, coefficient 2 required. So partially balanced chemical equation is SO2 plus twice H2S gives S plus twice H2O. Step number 5. Sulfur only element left to be balanced. To balance sulfur atom, exactly similar to step number 3. 3 number of sulfur present in reactant and 1 number of sulfur present in product. Here deficient side is RHS, so we balance RHS. To balance product, change only coefficient, that is 3. So partially balanced equation is SO2 plus twice H2S gives thrice S plus twice H2O. Step number 6. Count number of atoms of each elements in above equation on LHS and RHS. If we count number of atoms of elements on LHS and RHS are equal, in this way all chemical equations are balanced. Once the chemical equation are balanced, now indicate the physical states of reactant and product where necessary. That is SO2 in bracket small g plus twice H2S in bracket small g gives thrice S in bracket small s plus twice H2O in bracket small l. In this way all chemical equations are balanced. Okay, page number 35. In our book you solve 3 questions given in our book. Okay.